Dime size hell.
Where's Owen?
He's in the house. Fortunately. Boy, it is really...
You didn't collect some, put in the freezer?
Well, we could.
We are.
It's getting a little smaller, but it's still coming down. It's like pea size now, but there's a lot more of it. It's over there running. Oh, man, they're going to do it on. Yep. A tall thunderstorm. But almost no wind. No shear to make a tornado. That's a good thing.